In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I'm currently making $800 per day within my first week promoting this system. And before we get into the content, if you wanna know my #1 recommendation to make money online, go ahead and click the first link in the description. And if you like videos about entrepreneurship and online marketing, make sure to hit that subscribers button and hit that notifications bell. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here, and in this video we're simply just going to go ahead and give you guys a 1-week update and basically how I'm just leveraging this to like crush it online, right? So let's just get right into it. Let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop, right? So first and foremost, I'll show you the first income stream was right here. I made $183. So here's an email. If we look 6 days ago, and it says you earned a commission and you earned $1,000. It's the first income stream, plus the biggest actually income stream. So the 2 income streams that I generated today was this one. And if we look at ROI panel, I made $298.50. So $298.50, so that's today. So alone today I made $648.50. But let's take a look overall how much I made. So 1,000 plus second income stream, we made $3,444. So we're gonna add that. That's how much I made for the week. $3,444 plus income stream number 3, I guess you could say, 183.20, 183.20 plus no payouts there yet, so $397.97. Okay, so basically $5,024.20 is how much we made this week, and this income stream added an extra $717.74. Now, what did I actually do to promote this, right? So I created 5 YouTube videos. So a little over 3,000 views. And then if we go to Aweber, right? So my list is currently 13,000 people. I just hit my list just now with an email. So this is today, so we're not counting today's email because I literally just sent that out. So if we look at show more, a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 emails. So 6 emails, 5 YouTube videos, right? Now, what am I doing? I'm driving traffic from these to the offer that I'm promoting, the system I'm promoting. That's basically what it comes down to, right? Now, you're probably thinking, well, Eric, I don't have 13,000 email subscribers. I don't have 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. I get it, right? So basically, to scale this business up, I'm going to start aggressively investing into paid traffic, and watch how much I scale this income. So this is my first week with this system. I made $5,000. Basically, super excited for this income stream. All I'm doing is promoting this system. I have other income streams, other avenues, but as far as an affiliate, I step behind this. It's converting ridiculously well. So now what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start investing paid traffic. So I'm going to start reinvesting these profits back into paid traffic. So with that being said, guys, you can build an email list with paid traffic, right? You don't have to have a massive following. And the fortunes in the follow-up. A lot of this income is because of my emails, right? The fortunes in the follow-up. You follow up with people, you build a relationship with them over time. Eventually, they're going to go and buy, right? So that's just a 1-week update. $5,024. But this income stream is going to be ridiculous. I can already feel it. If you guys want to go ahead and get access, there will be a link. There will be #1 recommendation to make money online will be down below, or the link across the screen will give you guys access to the actual offer that I'm promoting, if you guys want to step behind this as well. And people who are on my team who invest into higher ticket products, which is $1,000 plus, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys access to my full affiliate marketing course. And if you take this serious, I'll take you serious. So I'll start investing into you guys to help you guys get similar results, right? So quick disclaimer, results not typical. Obviously, I'm an experienced marketer, so I don't expect to make $700 per day your first week in this business. Is it possible? Absolutely. But over time, imagine how awesome that would be, right? Appreciate you guys for actually watching this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell. and step behind the system, start making some money, right? Get you one step closer to walking away from that 9 to 5 with an extra $5,000 per week, allow you to walk away from that 9 to 5 corporate slavery. I mean, do the math, that's $20,000 a month, that's ridiculous. So with that being said, appreciate you guys. As always, your boy, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
If you like that video, be sure to like, comment, and share. And also be sure to smash that subscribers button and notifications bell to join Wolves Nation. Lastly, if you're tired of working a 9 to 5, you want to be your own boss, you want to travel the world, create a life by design, or even just the freedom to work whenever and wherever you want, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online by clicking the first link in the description. And I want to thank you for spending your valuable time with me. I know you could be spending it somewhere else, so thank you. And until next time, your friend and mentor, Eric Ellis Jr., checking out.